The contractor, Trent, used 4 wood stakes to mark the 4 corners of the 25-foot long by 12-foot wide carport. Trent has arrived at the Kabota to level things out and move that boulder. You've been doing this how long?
For 37 years.
Precision. I was impressed at how you laid that right down into that slot.
It's all routine, Randy. It's all routine.
Routine. Trent said I set this up perfectly to allow for expanding the driveway, leveling it higher on the left side, and then sloping it towards the garden. Once there's gravel filled in that little ditch there to the sloped garden dirt, I can then reinstall the edging blocks to separate the gravel from the garden.
Cut down 4 inches here.
At this end?
Yeah. Just laser level.
Laser leveler. Some of this other gravel I've got, the same size, 5/8 minus basalt, is grayer. This should be closer in color. And the work begins. First scoop. Weed block. Just got to take it down about 4 inches here at the highest point. So we'll be into the dirt. That like using his arms and hands, but with a metal extension. More weed block fabric. That's how he reuses the existing gravel, shoves it over there into the gutter, of course along with some dirt. Repositioning. Compacting, I guess. Up to now, all this gravel I've moved by hand with the help of Diane. Amazing. Oh, my back, my arms, all of me thanks you. Wow. What a difference already. Getting really close to being level. Just a few adjustments and another load of gravel with finesse. In that area, so he's going to bring it down the other side of the pad where it was a little low.
Should be able to rake that out.
Up till now, that's exactly how this gravel was spread. Rakes.
Yeah. Now I can get it as as close as I can. Fine tuning.
Here comes a second load of gravel. Now this is a real gravel rake, not the kind I use for the garden.
Just right in here.
Still a little high on this side, so Trent's gonna remove a little bit. The elevation of the pad is much higher than the ramp, so I decided to remove these blocks temporarily, and Trent will put some gravel in the ditch there, it will make it easier to rebuild the retaining wall and a lot more sturdy. There we go.
Compactor will pound that down.
Build up the ramp leading into the pad. There's a bulge of gravel there, and he's going to sweep it up there, move it up higher for the transition. Wow, love it. Looking really good. Okay, we're done with the major leveling. So we're gonna wet it down. That will help drive the fines and the dirt down inside the gravel, changing its color over time, and also making a lot more solid. Diane's gonna help out watering the gravel. Everyone should have that experience once in a lifetime. I'm gonna go work on the other side with the other hose. The rainbow over our new gravel pad. There's the compactor. That's a way to move tools that are heavy.
still pretty close. Everything's beeping high and fast.
Okay, high and fast beep means it's close.
It's just, yeah. There's no low spot.
That transition there is so much better. You kind of felt like you were rolling off the driveway when you pulled up. A little bit of a dip right against the retainer wall. But that's not where we're going to be driving. I'll be driving center once I get practiced.
Yeah, threw some material on there. We actually had there it is.
Right on.
Solid green. Same consistent high beat, so pretty close probably. Your bubble in your motorhome will be level.
Well, that's a wrap. Trent did a great job today. It's taken many, many months, actually years, since we began this project. And now we're transitioning into a real pad and a real carport. Is there any bad luck by walking under the Kabota?
Bump your head.
Just don't bump your head.